Okay, so the given trinomial is a squared minus 2a minus 24. First step, we need to identify the values of a, b, and c. Now, based on the given, what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? Negative 2. And what is the value of c? Negative 24. Then after that, let us proceed by step 2. List all pairs of c. So c is negative 24. So probably the sign of the two factors, okay, isang positive at isang negative. Diba? Multiplication of integers. Kapag different sign, the answer is negative. O now, give me a factors of 24. Yes, Sir Cado? 6 times 4. Okay, question, ano yung sign ni malakas? Negative. So again, ang factors, isang positive, isang negative. Si letter B ay negative. Okay, kukunin natin to. Ito yung magiging sign ng malaking number. Ano po ang malaki? 6 or 4? So kaya negative 6 times 4 po yan. Okay, check natin kung makukuha na natin si B pag kinuha natin yung sum. Negative 6 plus 4. Same sign? Unlike? Add or subtract? Okay, 6 minus 4. And copy the sign of the bigger number. Now, what is the sign? Negative 2. And what is B? Meaning, nakuha na agad natin yung factors. Hindi na kailangan ilista yung iba pang factors. So, what we're going to do now? 2 parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I'll write the factors. Negative 6 at positive 4. Now, what is the given variable? A. So, therefore, this is the factor. So,